Hey, people of God. I come to you with just some words that I feel on my spirit today. And on my spirit today is that the devil is a liar and the truth is not in him, as we can see in God's word. And that's what it says. A lot of times we get to looking, or we hear like the world making excuses for stuff that God is doing. One of the biggest things I notice is like people would say climate control, global warming, but God has control over the weather. And that's something that we understand as people. God has control over famine, but people will still say climate change. The weather's not doing the right thing for things to be right. The devil is a liar the same way like with Adam and Eve when he told Eve, surely she won't die. Yes, it seemed like it made sense in the time, but God is the truth and the truth comes from God. So God's word is true, but anything else that you make up after that will be your own opinion, even though it seems true. By saying climate change, it gives people a chance to leave a gap of understanding. It's like, okay, if we understand that the problem is climate change, what can we do to help from climate change? People say people's not treating the world right by throwing the garbage on the ground and things like that. But at the same time, we got to understand within God, it is a war in the physical, but it's a war in the spiritual. We're living in a spiritual war, and we got to understand the same way that people's treating this earth is the same way people's treating other people. It's like when nobody's watching, people do so many things so wrong, but God sees everything that we do. And he hears the praise of the saints and people that show God of the wrong things that people's choosing to do today. So, I mean, in the darkness, or when nobody can see you or nobody's noticing you, or you feel like nobody's watching, God is always watching. So if you say you're a person of God, but at the same time you cheat people, you lie, you steal, people may not see you, but God sees you. Thank you for listening. The devil is a liar. Thank you for listening.